All right, Solomon. So I just wanted to go over a property here real fast that we're getting. Um, uh, the first deal fell through, and we're the agent's wanting us to resubmit our offer. But I wanted to walk through this property with you real fast. I'm not sure if you picked up on this. So we typically don't chase down structural properties. Um, I would say probably right now, do they have in here? Here we go. Structural issues. So when you're flipping through the pictures, I just want to show you something real fast. This house has pretty severe structural issues, and I'm going to show you where you can see that at. So when you get into the basement, let's try to get there. There we go. Um, you can start to see this cracking here and cracks here and cracks here, and then you got cracks on the floor, which is not as that's not structural. That's easy. They can break that up and report. But when you've got these big cracks all over, you've got an issue at this house because I mean you can see how big these cracks are over here. It looks like they started to frame it out so they could hide it at one point. But we typically don't chase those down. I think I will probably resubmit on this guy at a much lower price. We went in at full price on this, and somebody outbid us, and then they didn't take it, and nobody else is taking it. Looks like so. Um, yeah, so I just want to point that out. So, anyways, just want to give you a little feedback on that real quick. So when you're looking through these pictures and you looking through the notes, if they say anything about structural, I would probably stay away from it right now unless we're just starving for a deal. Then maybe we'll chase these down. But these are really hard to sell to investors. There's this a very tight niche of investors that will work on these. They're very skilled. They know what they're doing. I've done some structural stuff before. It's a big pain. It's a big cost. The type of investors we're usually chasing down aren't going to go after a house like this. It's a very limited market. So for right now, I would say let's shy away from these. I think I will probably resubmit at a much lower price, see if they bite. But but other than that, let's keep an eye on these structural projects.